Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learn and Feel Confident. My name is Shweta Malhotra. So today in this video we will discuss about the setup of environment. Before start the installation, if you want to check whether Java is already installed in your system or not, just you can execute this command, that is java space hyphen version. Here you can see Java 18 version is available within my system, and you can also check the version of compiler. So here you can execute Java C space hyphen version. If let's say it is not showing any version on your system, that means Java is not installed. Then you have to install the Java first, then only you can execute the programs. So how we can install the Java? The installation part is very simple. Just you can open the browser, search for the downloads Java, and here you can see the official website of Oracle, because now Java is the product of Oracle. So just click on that and it will redirect to this page. And over here Java has the latest version, that is 18, and Java is available for the various operating system like Linux, Mac and Windows operating system. So according to your operating system you can download the Java installer. So in my case I have Windows operating system, so here you can see the Windows 64-bit is available. So I have already installed the Java installer in my system, that is Java 18. But if let's say you want to download this one, just simply click on that and download. Now the Java 8 onwards version, from Java 9 to 18 version, that is available for the Windows 64-bit. Okay, if your system is of the 32-bit, then you have to download the Java 8. From where you can download the Java 8? Go to the Java archive, and here you can see the older versions of Java, and you can just go for this one, Java SE. SE stands for Standard Edition. So you can just click on that, and here the installers are available for the different operating system. So in our case Windows operating system, 86 stands for 32-bit and 64, this is for the 64-bit. So according to your bit operating system bit version, so you can download the installer. But in this Oracle, if you download the installer, it will ask to create an account. I have already downloaded the Java. So here the Java 18 and the Java 8 is available. So Java 18 is already installed on my system. So let's start with the Java 8. For the Java 8, a few steps are there where you can install the Java. So just click on next. And again, if you want to change the location of Java, you can change from this button. Click on next, and it is downloading all the required libraries. And here again, click on next. It is installing the Java. Okay, so just click on close. So Java has been installed. But now how we can check Java is installed or not? So the one option is you can just run the command java space hyphen version. Another thing is, like in directive, you want to check where Java is placed. So just go to the C drive, go to program files, and then Java. And here you can see both the JDK versions, JDK 1.a and JDK 18. So let's check the version again by using command java space hyphen version. It is still pointing out to the Java 18, but our requirement is to work with the Java 8. For that, we need to set the path of Java 8 in the environment variable. So how we can do that? Search for edit the system environment, right? System properties, and then there is one option, environment variables. Click on that. Now under the environment variables, we have two type of variables. One is user variables, another one is system variable. Now you must be wondering what is the meaning of the user variables and system variable, and for which variable we need to set the path. If you want to install the Java on your personal system, then either you can use the system variable or the user variable. Sometime in organization they don't allow to update the system variables. You can just change the variable or set up the variables for your account only. Then in that case you can set the Java path under the user variables. Okay, so let's go with the system variables. So over here you can just go to the path, click on path and click on edit this variable, and you can click on new. So here we will create the new system variable. So in the system variable, what you have to do, let's open the Java, and here we want to set the path for Java 8. So just open the JDK and bin folder. Select this path and add the path above this window, see Windows System 32. So what we can do, we can just move. Now the question is why we need to keep this path at first place. So the main reason is the window installer for Java puts the java.exe in system 32 folder like this at this location, and so that you can run the program without setting any environment variable. Like in our Java 18, there is no path is set for the Java 18, but for the Java 8, if you want to work with that, we need to set the path. And if you want to set the path of your desired version, but make sure that that should appear above this path, see Windows System 32, then only it will point out to this JDK version. So let's check whether it's pointing out to this JDK 8 version or not. Just click on OK, OK and OK. Okay, so now in that case you can open the new CMD, and here again you can check with the command java space hyphen version. Now in that case it is pointing out to the Java 8 version. And you can also execute the command java c space version, and compiler is also point out to the Java 8 version. So that's how you can install the multiple versions of Java. But if you want to work with the specific version, you need to set the path of Java with the required condition that we have already discussed.